Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're back to discuss vapor honing as a finishing tool. As you can see, vapor honing can bring your parts back to life, back to factory finish, or even better than factory finish. We're able to get an OEM finish out of glass bead, a very shiny, polished, mirror-like finish. You can even get a satin out of a ceramic bead, or if you prefer a matte finish, you can use an aluminum oxide. There's such a vast variety of medias that you can use to get any kind of finish you really want with vapor honing. And the benefit of vapor honing is that you don't have to worry about water and ferrous material. So if you have a carbon steel, if you have a cast iron that you're blasting, you don't have to worry about flash rust. We have a solvent that will solve that issue. It's a direct additive to the cabinet, does not affect the final outcome of the part, and it prevents corrosion for up to 72 hours. Or if you blow dry it, it prevents it indefinitely. If there's anything you have questions about, please give us a call. We'd love to explain how this works. 828-202-5563.